Chances are, if you haven't upgraded your iPhone in a few years, you've at least considered it. Now more than ever, MagSafe's latest iteration with improved 15-watt charging and powerful ring of magnets built into the back of Apple's newest iPhone 14 series makes a solid case alone for doing so. However, since the Silicon Valley pioneer first released this newly magnetically secured charging hardware in 2020 with the iPhone 12, third-party suppliers have flooded the market with compatible MagSafe wallets to clean up your EDC by keeping your cards both secure and quickly accessible. Flooded though the market may be, before you pay the Apple tax by picking up an officially released first-party MagSafe wallet, we've assembled a tailored guide of our favorite MagSafe wallets that score high for security, ease of use, and great design. We'll also be using the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max, so keep in mind that not all MagSafe wallets in this guide are created equal to fit the entire gamut between the 2020 iPhone 12 and the latest 2022 iPhone 14. So if you have an earlier model other than the 14 specifically, make sure to confirm compatibility before deciding on one of our best MagSafe wallet picks. So let's dive in. Our first no-frill starter by Spigen is our best budget pick for a MagSafe wallet you can pick up virtually anywhere to test the waters without breaking the bank. If you're new to the MagSafe ecosystem, then we'd recommend starting with a Spigen Valentinus MagFit wallet card holder. With a handful of utilitarian features packed into a markedly minimalist profile, Spigen builds in room for two of your most used cards mounted directly to the back of your iPhone 14, with strong magnets akin to Apple's first-party MagSafe wallet. It's also similar in design to the official first-party MagSafe leather wallet, so it's equal parts form and function, and serves as a great budget option if you're already a fan of Apple's design language. Card accessibility is as simple and straightforward as using the bottom, central, or top slots to disengage Spigen's internal pressure locking mechanism. Even though this simple Apple-adjacent card holder does share many similarities to its first-party alternative, we appreciate one feature that, if we're honest, Apple left out. Since both the Spigen MagSafe card holder and Apple's True Leather card holder necessitate removal to really access their contents, the bottommost notch present on the Apple rival Spigen does almost give their MagSafe wallet a leg up, as the backmost finger slot on Apple's unit really doesn't provide the necessary friction to remove the desired cards, especially if the wallets are at maximum capacity for a tighter fit. It's also built from a premium-feeling, sustainably sourced vegan leather for bonus eco-conscious points in addition to being our best budget pick. As a 3-in-1 MagSafe snap-on unit, our most functional pick by Moft serves as a low-profile wallet, a sturdy phone stand that can be used in both the horizontal and vertical axes, and a grip. A top flip tab securely wrangles up to 3 cards at a time, and deploying the stand is as simple as folding the outermost bifold to its default 45-degree angle. When deployed, the stand magnetically locks into place, which makes resting the phone in either orientation tangibly stable and secure. Although we understand this wallet is undoubtedly one of the most popular MagSafe wallets on the market for equal parts form and function, card accessibility, which is the true hallmark of a wallet, MagSafe or not, is not nearly as simple as the previous Spigen card holder or some others you'll see occupying this list that have dedicated push or pull accessibility. If the wallet is packed away at maximum capacity, quick accessibility is tricky and sometimes results in the magnets losing their grip. On another, more positive note, we mentioned that Moft integrates magnets to hold the bifold stand and grip combo portion in place when engaged or disengaged. What could have easily been a design flaw if the magnets themselves were far too weak, you'd be surprised there are many on the market, to hold the hefty Pro Max versions of the iPhone lineups, Moft truly snags a home run, as our iPhone Pro Max 14 felt undeniably secure when the Moft snap-on phone stand was attached and positioned in either orientation. And like our first pick, it's also constructed from a smooth vegan leather and comes in 12 colorways, nearly covering the entire color spectrum. Pelican's most known for their rugged and fully waterproof cases, coolers, and drinkware, but they've also debuted an incredibly hard-wearing lineup of EDC accessories, like this magnetic wallet and card holder, a heavy-duty MagSafe unit with all the quintessential Pelican design cues. As our most ruggedized wallet pick, with RFID protection and top-tier shock resistance, it opens in a bifold manner with 2 left-side hinges and a right snap clip, backed up by a full IPX4 rated waterproof seal. On the interior, this hyper-rugged unit secures up to 4 cards on the right and a folded builds on the left, held securely in place by a lattice of high-grade silicone, and can even withstand a loadout heavier than the phone itself. As a final note, the height dimension sits just shy of 4 inches at 3.97, so if you're using a thicker case with raised bevels near the camera, there have been anecdotal reports of fitment issues, so for peace of mind, pair the Pelican magnetic wallet and card holder with a slim case. We admit, PopSockets, but it's hard to ignore a brand that's dominated this niche market for so long and who has done an admittedly great job doing so. The PopSockets phone wallet with the expanding grip is our best grip wallet pick, overshadowing the many knockoffs that quickly followed suit after PopSockets first released their tech around 2014. Unlike the traditional iterations that use adhesive, this version secures magnetically and scores high in customer satisfaction for its ease of use and security. We think the magic here is usability. It comes equipped with room for 3 cards, uses a stretch deployant, and a single centrally mounted grip, nothing superfluous. And to our surprise, the magnetism outperformed virtually all of our other competitors, only rivaled by Apple's official leather wallet. So, if security is a main concern, the sheer strength of this PopSocket MagSafe phone wallet alone should be a deciding factor. And before we move on to our first dedicated Apple pick, this PopSockets MagSafe wallet does need to be disengaged from the case before charging, so keep that in mind if you're searching for an all-in-one unit that can permanently live on the back of your phone. We get it, no list would be complete without a staple pick from the folks who did it first and continue to do it best. The Apple iPhone leather wallet from MagSafe is about as tried and true as it gets. And if you don't mind paying the Apple tax, our staple pick scores high on our list for its refined design and functional dependability. Although sleek and markedly premium in line with Apple's MO, the iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe does need to be removed to use the rear push-button system when the wallet is at maximum capacity. Unlike our first MagSafe wallet pick by Spigen, Apple only provides 2 methods of accessibility, from the top and by using the rear slot, leaving out Spigen's bottom-notch push-button system, which allows the wallet to remain on the phone when in use for this application. Crafted from incredibly beautiful European leather with matching U-shaped edge stitching, this MagSafe wallet hides up to 3 cards, integrates Apple's Find My technology in case of theft or loss, provides haptic feedback directly via the iPhone screen, comes in 9 monochromatic color options, and is one of the only on our list that supports MagSafe compatible iPhones all the way back to the original iPhone 12. As our best storage capacity pick, if you find yourself pocketing a lot of cards, our previous MagSafe wallets max out at 3 to 4 and simply won't suffice. You'll be left with the difficult task of choosing which essential cards must be left behind, which, as we've all encountered eventually, causes some trouble. As a solution, Peak Design's mobile MagSafe wallet is capable of organizing up to 7 cards at a time, doubles as a dual-axis support stand, and features the same weatherproof 100% recycled nylon canvas construction as their much-loved carry solutions. Even though the Peak Design mobile wallet storage capacity does outshine the rest, it stands at a mere 6mm thin when empty, and allows for quick access by disengaging the magnetically secured tab at the wallet's top section and pulling up. Although we typically applaud Peak Design's construction that seems to always achieve a near-perfect form meets function symbiosis, the mobile wallet is great in theory but arguably falls a little short in execution. We'll start with the wallet's stand frame. We saw that Moft integrated a magnetically secured bifold that balances clean form and intended function. It holds the phone sturdy and then some. While yes, the Peak Design mobile wallet does provide insanely sturdy support in both axes with a bifold hinged metal frame, you're essentially just picking up a loose fabric-covered metal skeleton. Now a bit about the card deployment system. It functions great one way, when engaging, pulling the top tab upward. However, disengaging to stow away the cards after use is a little cumbersome. The pull tab itself, that lies at the heart of the wallet, is somewhat ad hoc in design. It shows all the seams on the interior face and crinkles when pressure is applied, bunching near the bottom. The frontmost face of the wallet also crinkles when pressure is applied downward, also folding near the bottom, which results in cards that stick up past what the magnetic top flap can secure. Only after several attempts were we able to seamlessly holster all 7 cards. Over time, we can see the front face experiencing some visible wear and tear as a result of continuous folds and creases. Minor gripes aside, on a more positive note, for those looking for extreme stability, Peak Design does offer up one of the most sturdy stand options via the hinged metal frame that certainly won't wear out over time, even though the wallet portion may fall a little short. And like our previous dedicated Apple pick, the Peak Design mobile wallet works seamlessly with any MagSafe compatible iPhone from the 12 all the way through the 14. Featured as our official most innovative pick, it also doubles as our unofficial most tactical pick, with a convenient method of card deployment and a sleek full front and back face of ultra-tough looking and hard-wearing carbon fiber. The Fantom C sits alongside the Fantom X and the Fantom S wallets, but stands as their only MagSafe offering. Admittedly, the C's close siblings do feature a more innovative, fully spring-loaded deployment system that automatically fans out all your cards. Even though the C traded the automatic system for a manual deployment, since the X and the S are not MagSafe compatible, and Fantom unquestionably needed to occupy this list, the C shapes up as a great MagSafe Fantom alternative that still packs in a lot of the same features as both the X and the S. Those features include Fantom's thinnest wallet at just 8mm thick, machined from ceramic-coated billet aluminum and stealthy carbon fiber, full RFID protection, and a security system that only uses geometry to keep the cards in place even when deployed. With the push of a finger via convenient one-handed operation, you'll have up to 5 cards instantly accessible, which is Fantom's official capacity rating, but we found 4 to function a bit better. What's more, the built-in side relief allows deployment without disengagement, each card remaining in the Fantom C Wallet even when jostled around. Note that this system worked for us about 90% of the time, but after repeated stress tests, there were a few incidents of accidental disengagement if the bottom right corners of the cards were pulled out a bit too far. Last but certainly not least, the Bellroy mod phone case and wallet combo secures our, well, most secure pick, working in tandem to provide utmost security to your EDC card collection with extra points for doing so with highbrow style. As a MagSafe wallet, that could certainly double as a best minimalist pick or best secure pick as well. The 3-card system uses what Bellroy dubs as a trapdoor system to fully enclose your carry when not in use. The only MagSafe wallet in our guide to use a complete shell-like hardware as a security system. The most obvious and understandable concern is losing your MagSafe wallet. Bellroy eliminates the possibility with a simple horizontal rail system that, when paired with their dedicated case, engages securely with no vertical play and then disengages the wallet portion by sliding left or right. The magnetic door also further protects accidental disengagement, loss, or theft for true peace of mind. Although you can use the wallet apart from the case, the horizontal locking bar of the wallet itself doesn't allow the wallet to sit on the phone completely flush, although the strength of the MagSafe magnets do still hold it in place. That being said, stick with the wallet and the case combo, as we found this works best as intended. We like the low-profile Stellar Black version, but if you're looking for something else, Bellroy allows any combination of the 7 options available for both the case and the wallet, for a total of almost 50 different possibilities.